the size of the basin. So it was expanded, similar at that time to when I was talking about the idea that the purpose of conserving this place was for as many people to come and swim here as possible. So that meant expanding the basin, building the pool. And what that did, unfortunately, was it made the basin water that's normally quite tiny. And they're between light and dark gray, and they breathe air like us. So they're along the edges of the pool and on the floating mats. So take a look and see if you can spot some, and I'll point some out in a few seconds. Yeah, you might have to get down fairly low, but I'll point out some here. So there's one right there. Does everyone see that guy right there? There's also one over here. I'll see if there's a bigger one floating more out into the middle, but there's a very little one right here.
Yeah, I can see it over here.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'll point out some over here for the